take care of you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to finally be starting my YouTube channel. I've been talking about this long. Like everyone that's close to me knows that I love makeup, I love hair, and I really just wanted to be starting my YouTube channel. So I finally got some time. So I'm finally gonna do it. What's the best way to start off my YouTube channel? With a get to know me, so that's what I will be doing. So I'll be answering questions so you guys can get to know me, that hopefully that you guys feel like you can relate to me, and I'm opening up, so like you guys know what I'm about, how I am, and like so you guys can feel that I love what I do. So I'm just gonna start. Okay, the first question is, what is your middle name? So my middle name, I actually have my mother's middle name, and she gave it to me, so my middle name is Janine. It's actually spelled like not the original way with a J, it's actually spelled with a G, and it's like G-E-N-E, and I thought that was really cool. I love the middle name. I feel like it's unique. I feel like it's spelled uniquely. But, you know, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is orange. I definitely love anything orange. Like I have an orange like a like jacket. I have like these orange headphones that my cousin bought me for Christmas. And then I have like this orange bag at that time. When I'm really in my days, I'll go outside and go orange because that's been my color. Who was your first best friend? This girl named Brittany Lou was my best friend since like grade grade. But like in first grade, she had to move to like different states. So I didn't get to see her as much, and we definitely lost contact. Now I have her on like social media, and I like her pictures, and like every once in a while, like she'll come down, comment and stuff like that. I miss her, love her. Like that was really my best friend. Like, we were inseparable. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but we were definitely like two peas in a pod. It was crazy. Like loved her. How tall are you? I think I'm like 5'6". I think I'm like 5'6". Don't quote me. And I hope this question never comes up later ever again because I really don't know. I feel like I'm tall, but like I'm not really tall, I guess. Like, so I mean, I don't know. Cats or dogs? Definitely cats. Like hands down cats. Like I like dogs, but hands down. Like if I'm on a pet, it has to be a cat. Like, like I have a cat back home, and I love my cat. It's like sleeps in my bed. It's everything a cat should be. I don't know. How many countries have you visited? None. Sadly, I hope that changes. I really want to travel. Like I've been talking to my boyfriend a lot about traveling and going on vacation and stuff. So hopefully I can see other countries. What was your favorite / worst subject in high school? I didn't really have any like favorite. I've always loved school. I don't have like a favorite or like least favorite. Like, if it just wasn't a class I was interested in, and I was talking in the back of the classroom or something, or I was with like my boyfriends at the time, like in the back of the classroom, like just chilling, talking, like making jokes or whatever, like not paying attention or sleeping. Don't sleep in class, but I always love school though, so I don't have like a least or worst favorite subject. Math sometimes can get hard, but I don't hate it. Math sometimes be busting my brain. Like calc. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink? Orange juice. What's the brand of the orange? Like I think it's Tropicana orange juice. And ginger ale. I will. The only thing I ingest is Tropicana orange juice and ginger ale. These are the only two things I love ginger ale. And I only drink Tropicana like so at my college, like in like the residential dining, they have like orange juice. So that's the only time that I get it if I go in there. But if I don't go in there, then I'm drinking ginger ale because ginger ale is just the key to my heart. What is my favorite animal? A cat. Has to be a cat. They don't do nothing. A house cat. They don't do nothing. They just mind their business. How I like to mind my business. So, a cat. What is your favorite perfume? I got this perfume. A cashmere glow. I got this for a Christmas present, I think. Not this year, last year. By my friend on my dance team. So, and I barely used it. Like, I use this like when I shave, I get out the shower, and I'm just like, yeah. So, that's when I use this. But I don't really use perfume a lot. Tea or coffee? Definitely tea. I've been raving about like trying to start drinking coffee because I'd be tired. Like, if my eyes are tired, like if I'm not wearing makeup, like I'm really tired. Like I just have like a natural sleepiness about me, but I'm also very tired. So I've been needing coffee because I heard coffee like gives you energy and stuff. So I've been needing an extra push. But I don't know what kind of coffee I like. I feel like I would like French vanilla thing, but I don't really drink coffee right now, so tea. It's gonna have to be tea. What would you or have you named your children? If I have children and it's a girl, I want to name her Jalissa. I love that name, Jalissa. Like it has to be. Like if I have a boy, I like the name Jace. So Jalissa and Jace. What sports do you play or have you played? Is cheerleading a sport? I did cheerleading in high school, but it wasn't really a cheer team. Like it was a cheer team, but like we didn't really like do like pyramids and stuff like that. Like we kind of stepped, but we were cheerleaders. So, and then I danced. I've danced my whole life, and that's a sport. I don't care what nobody says. Dance is a sport. I work hard. I be tired after dance practice. Okay, so I dance. Okay, that's it. I've not read a good book in a long time, but I read 2 series of books a long time ago. Like one was in high school and one was like in 7th or 8th grade. So like the first one from 7th or 8th grade was like the Twilight series. Love those books. I read them all. Then for my birthday, made my mom buy me the books, like the whole series again, so that I could read it. So I don't know why I did that, because those books are they were just gone. I don't even know what they're at no more. I don't even touch them. But I loved it at the time. And then 50 Shades of Grey. Like that whole series, loved it. So those were like the only, I haven't read I've read books obviously because you have to read books, but I haven't read a really good book in a long time for it to be like, is it my favorite? Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Listen to me when I say this, right? I love SiimplyJayy. That's it. I love SiimplyJayy. That's it. Who are my favorite YouTubers? SiimplyJayy. And I really love Dollface Beauty, but she hasn't been posting, and it's been breaking my heart. So I have to follow her on like Snapchat and stuff. She don't really post right now, but definitely Imani, because I like her attitude. Like I like how she talks. But Leah is a lifestyle. SiimplyJayy. If I can be like anybody, if I wanted to do anything with YouTube, if I really wanted to be big, whatever, I want to be SiimplyJayy, because she just goes. Like she's really a goal. Like she gets a lot of heat and stuff, but like y'all have to respect sis work ethic, okay? And she just does great makeup, and she's like just bomb as fuck. So I love SiimplyJayy. Let me know. What is your favorite movie? I actually don't have like a favorite movie. Like if I watch a movie, like I like that movie at the time until I see another movie. But I don't have a favorite movie. Are you single and taking? I'm definitely taking. We're gonna be 2 years in February on Valentine's Day, so I'm excited. I love my boyfriend. What's your idea of an ideal first date? The first date, just chilling. Like if you could just take me out, if we could just be chilling. Food is a must. I love food. So we can some kind of food, Popeyes, anything like. But a first date, it really don't have to be nothing like you have a car, picking you up in your car, around driving, and we'll sit around talk on the side and go on a dinner date. I don't have to be nowhere expensive. I don't eat chicken fingers and french fries anyway. Like my boyfriend be trying to get me out of that. Like we go to restaurants, like he refuses to take me out unless I get something else. But I eat chicken fingers. It doesn't matter like where you take me on a first date, but definitely what happens on the first date. We should definitely be talking. We should definitely be getting to know each other. We should definitely be clicking. We should definitely be bonding. How many girlfriends or boyfriends have you had? So I would like to say that I have not been single since like I was in 4th grade. So since my very first boyfriend in 4th grade, which people like to say that it doesn't count, but it counts because I was head over heels. And I'm gonna do a story time about my first relationship because I feel like it was my first heartbreak, and I feel like I went through a lot. People laugh at me now, like when I tell the story. Nah, like that was real. But as I've had, I guess I've had a lot. One. guess not a lot. I guess 4. But, okay, so not a lot, but I've dated them over a long periods of time. 5. I have 5. Over long periods of time. So, only 5, but over, like, years. Like, or we, like, obviously talking off and on and stuff. So, only 5. Favorite memory from childhood. Every summer, like, when I was growing up as a child, summer, my mom would take us on vacation, and she would do, like, a big, we went on a cruise, we went to Universal Studios, we went to, like, our playland one summer. Literally, once a summer, we went somewhere. I had a really great childhood. In the summertime, we used to live. Do you speak any different languages, and how well? No. I took 3 years of Spanish, and I knew nothing, so, no. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I do. I love my sister. I have an older sister. I love my sister. We talk a lot more. Now that I'm away in college and stuff, I love my sister. And I have a younger brother. He don't really talk to me. JJ's mean, and so JJ doesn't talk to me as much as I would like. But I love my brother too. And I make so it's 3 of us, and I'm the middle child. How would I describe my fashion sense? To be honest, I am trying to figure it out. I'm still like trying to figure out my style. I really look at SiimplyJayy. I don't really like too much name brand. Like, I don't like to walk outside for people to like know exactly what I have on. Because people do often think I have these Gucci rain boots, and I wore them one time. They're in my closet. I wore them one time, and I stepped outside, and everybody that I saw was like, "You have Gucci rainbows. You have Gucci." No, and I went home and I changed. I'm still trying to figure it out. It's definitely very simple, but it's cute. So hopefully I will be doing some more lookbooks, and I can show you guys how I dress and stuff. What is your favorite restaurant? I love Red Lobsters, but I have not been in a long time. And I've been to Applebee's a lot, so I guess right now it's Applebee's, but I love Red Lobsters. Love. PC or Mac? Mac, but I don't have a Mac, so I have a PC. So but hopefully somebody will love me, and one of my families will invest in a Mac for me, because as they should. So hopefully they'll invest, and I'll get a Mac. What phone do you have? iOS or Android? iOS, because some of your favorite TV shows. Power, Arrow, Empire. I just started watching Stranger Things, and it's so good. Like, it's really good. So right now, those are my Bob's Burgers. I cannot believe I forgot. An American Dad. Those are my favorite cartoons, but like real life, real people TV shows. Empire, Power, and Arrow are my shows. One of my bad habits, I suck on my tongue. I don't think it's a bad habit, but my boyfriend be like, I'm 21, so he's like, no 21 should be like sucking on her tongue like a baby, but you can make it. So that was the end of the Get to Know Me time. Those were all the questions, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm really excited to really do this and to really get started. Now that I've done it, I'm like excited. Like, it was really hard starting this, and I was very nervous, but I finally worked up the courage, so I'm excited. I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys later. Bye.